Today I am talking about Laplace transformation of derivatives. After that, I will talk about initial value problem. It has been derived that L on y dash, that is derivative of y is y dash. L of y dash is s into ys minus y0. In many textbooks, you will observe ys is L of yt. Instead of writing s into ys, they write s into L of yt. So L of y dash is s into ys minus y0. L of y double dash means s squared into ys minus s into y0 minus y dash 0. Now L of y triple dash, that is defined as s cubed into ys minus s squared into y0 minus s into y dash 0 minus y double dash 0. Now using these formulas, I am trying to solve the initial value problem. Initial value problem means in the beginning, that is at time t is equal to 0, this condition is given. Y, suppose y is temperature at time t is equal to 0 is 0. Derivative at time t is equal to 0 is 0. That is the meaning. Y of 0 is equal to 0, y dash 0 is equal to 0. This is the differential equation we have to solve. Now, let us go solve now because we have come to the problem. Now, operate L. If I operate L separately, L of y double dash, take 3 outside, 3 into L of y dash, right, plus 4 into L of y, that is equal to L of 1. Let us substitute L of y double dash. What is L of y double dash? Here, this one, I have to substitute. So it is s squared into ys minus s into y0 minus y dash 0. That is over. Next, plus 3 into L of y dash. What is L of y dash? S into ys minus y0. L of y dash, where it is? Here, s into ys minus y0. I have written for L of y dash. 3 I have written as it is. What is L of y dash? S into ys minus y0 plus 4 into L of y. L of y is ys. L of y, if you want, I will write. L of y means it is always ys. You know that. L of pt means ps. L of zt means zs. L of x of t means x of s. So what I did? Y double dash. L operated on y double dash. Substitute this. 3, take it outside. L of y dash. Substitute this result. Next, 4, write that as it is. L of y. What is L of y? Ys. That is equal to L of 1, that is 1 by s. Now, y0. What is the value of y0? 0. Y dash 0? 0. Substitute that. Y0, it is 0. Y dash 0, this value is also 0. Here also, y0, 0. Substitute. Now, if you take ys as common factor, then what remains? S square. First substitute initial condition. Here observe, y of 0, it is equal to 0. Y dash 0, 0. So, y of 0 is 0. Y dash 0, 0. This term is 0. Now let us take ys as common factor. If I remove ys as common factor, s squared here. Next, remove ys here. What is remaining? 3s. Fine. If I remove ys, it is 3s. Remove ys here, 4. Right? So, if I take ys as common factor, s square. Here remove, if I take ys common factor, 3s. Here, 4. Next, any other term? This term is 0. This term is 0. This is 0. Right? That is all we have. That is equal to 1 by s. So, therefore, what I got is ys is equal to 1 by s divided by this means s square plus 3s plus 4. This is my ys. But what I am required? I have to solve. Solve means I have to find the solution. That means y of t I have to find. So y of t is L inverse of this. L inverse of 1 by s into s square plus 3s plus 4. Right? If you find L inverse, that is the solution. Now, okay, I will continue this lecture. In the next lecture, you will observe. Okay, let us stop at this. I am continuing the previous problem. In the previous problem, it was L inverse of 1 by s into s squared plus 3s plus 4 I was supposed to find. So therefore, what I did is, now what I am doing is 1 by s into s squared plus 3s plus 4, you take that as a by s plus, here power of s is 2, therefore bs plus c. Observe the point, power of s is 2, therefore bs plus c. Power of s is 2, therefore bs plus c divided by this s squared plus 3s plus 4. So a by s, write that as it is. Now bs divided by this denominator, bs divided by this denominator plus c divided by this denominator. Now question is whether this is factorizable or not. S squared plus 3s plus 4. What is A? A is equal to 1. What is B? B is 3. What is C? C is equal to 4. If you find B squared minus 4AC, you are getting a negative value. Since B squared minus 4AC is a negative value, it is not factorizable. So therefore, what is the alternative? I have to express this s square plus 3s plus 4 as a square. What is the method? Method is, now observe, what is number behind s? 3. Number behind a coefficient, what is the formula? Coefficient of s divided by 2 whole square. What is number behind s? 3. Divided by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 whole square. Just a minute. See, observe, coefficient of s, 3, divided by 2, 3 by 2 whole square. So what happens? 9 by 4. So therefore, observe, number behind s, 3, divided by 2, 3 by 2 whole square, that is 9 by 4. So what you are doing? You are adding and subtracting 9 by 4, s squared plus 3s plus 9 by 4 plus this 4 minus 9 by 4. Observe the point. For this 3s, I have added 9 by 4. To this 4, I have subtracted minus 9 by 4. So you are getting the point clear. Coefficient of s by 2 whole square. So therefore, what is happening? Observe, square root of s square, yes. Square root of 9, 3. Square root of 4, 2. Here plus sign, therefore plus s plus 3 by 2 whole square. Now minus here 3 by 2 whole square. Observe the point. Yes. Here square root of 9, 3. Square root of 4, 2. S plus 3 by 2 whole square. Minus here this is 3 by 2 whole square. So therefore, remember you are writing s square plus 3s plus 4 in this form. So when once saw, let us substitute here. Right? Substituting in star, this LHS is equal to A by S, right? A by S plus B into S by, for this S square plus 3S plus 4, you are writing that as S plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square, fine. Now plus C by, observe, for this S square plus 3S plus 4, again S plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is what you have. So therefore, L inverse on LHS is equal to L inverse on this RHS. So L inverse of LHS, it is equal to, is the video covering? Please
Yes,
see. A into L inverse of 1 by S, fine, plus B into L inverse of this plus C into L inverse of this. So now I will write the same once again. Finding ABC, you do it please. Right? Now A into, so what is it? What I am having? A into L inverse of 1 by S plus B into L inverse of S by, right? S plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square, right? Plus C into L inverse of S 1 by S plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is what I am having. Now what I have to do? I have to find L inverse of. You know L inverse of 1 by S is 1. So that is A into 1 plus B into. Now I have told you many number of times. Whenever you are finding a factor S plus A or S minus A, use the shifting property. Now the plus 3 by 2 is there, opposite minus 3 by 2, So therefore e to the power minus 3 by 2t plus 3 by 2. So therefore opposite minus 3 by 2 e to the power minus 3 by 2. That is the same as telling this s should be replaced by s minus 3 by 2. So b into e to the power minus 3 by 2 to e into L inverse of wherever s is there. So in the numerator also this s is s minus 3 by 2. So when I replace this s, observe here, whenever you find a factor like s plus 3 by 2, you have to replace it by s minus 3 by 2. So in the numerator s is replaced by s minus 3 by 2. Here s minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 s square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Next c into, once again say s is replaced by s minus 3 by 2. So this minus 3 by 2 is e to the power minus 3 by 2t plus 3 by 2. What is the opposite? E to the power minus 3 by 2t into L inverse of 1 by s square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now observe this one, a plus b into e to the power minus 3 by 2t into, this is L inverse of s divided by the denominator, s by s squared minus 3 by 2 whole square, right? That is one. Next minus 3 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s squared minus 3 by 2 whole square, right? Plus c into e to the power minus 3 by 2t into L inverse of 1 by s squared minus 3 by 2 whole square. What is this? Number. Since number is there, sign. See how I am remembering? Minus sign is there, therefore hyperbolic. If there is plus sign, then it is only sign. Since minus sign is there, hyperbolic, sign hyper. It is of the form 1 by s square minus a square. What is 1 by s square minus a square? Sin hyperbolic at by a. Sin hyperbolic at by a. This is the formula. Whenever 1 by s square minus a square is there, sin hyperbolic at by a. What is a? A is this 3 by 2. So therefore I shall write 3 by 2. Here 3 by 2. Now we are almost finished. A plus b into e to the power minus 3 by 2t. Here s by s square minus this. Since minus sign is there, cos. Whenever s in the numerator, cos. Right? Minus sign is there, hyperbolic. What is the formula for this? S by s square minus a square. Cos hyperbolic at. S by s square minus a square. Cos hyperbolic at. What is a? A is this 3 by 2. Right? Now here minus 3 by 2. Again number by s square by a square. Sin hyperbolic a. A is 3 by 2t divided by 3 by 2 plus c into e to the power minus 3 by 2t into sin hyperbolic 3 by 2t divided by 3 by 2. Okay, let us stop at this point.